Good morning, everyone. I wish you were here. You're not. Getting kind of used to this. Let's move on. Hope all of you had a good holiday. I know that I did. So when you come back, and this week we're going to be doing a lot of writing, and we have to prepare for that so that we can move forward and quickly, because we are running out of time with some of these standards that we need to cover. We are going to be doing argumentative writing and a little bit of debate, because we know you guys love to argue. So in order to do that well and cover it well, I wanted to give you an opportunity to choose your own topics and to write about something that you're interested in before the state gives you a super boring topic to write about. So that's what this assignment does. What I want you to do today and tomorrow is some argumentative writing research. I have sent to you a list of controversial topics in today's world, and they've been controversial topics for a long time. If you don't know whether you are interested in the topic, if you want to click on it, it will take you to a website that just kind of explains what the topic is and why it's controversial. Meaning, it has a lot of people arguing about, on different sides. Where's my little paper? Okay. So let me take me off video. I don't know if I've disappeared or not. We will see. Anyway, so you can choose from one of these topics. If you don't like any of these topics, I've listed some others, and you can come up with your own. I just don't want it to be a simple topic like PlayStation is better than Xbox. Okay, I want you to be able to find some real meat to it and really kind of push yourself and think a little bit about some of these important issues that's going on in our world. It's time to grow up a little bit and have a care and think about some things. So I want you to find two articles. One will be kind of following what, your opinion, your viewpoint, how you feel about it, and the other is the counter or the opposite. Remember that vocabulary word? So find two articles. The articles should be somewhat scholarly, meaning coming from a professor, a college, a school, a professional journal, and I just don't want Joe Schmo spewing out his opinion and you copying and pasting that. Okay, so try to find something that's a bit scholarly, that's more than just a paragraph. Make it, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs, something that you can really read and write about. So the website that the topics take you to do not count. Okay, those are not articles. Those are just quick summaries of the topic. So you are then going to write kind of a summary. You're going to fill out a summary chart. And all you're going to do is just click in these boxes and start, typing. And the boxes will lengthen as you type. So state your topic, the title of the article, and it should have a title. It should have a title because, again, you're trying to choose those credible sources, those sources that, have some meat, someone who's trustworthy, someone who's in academia. Oh, okay. So copy and paste the web address here. Write the main idea of the article. What is the author saying? What's the main idea? And give me 2 supporting details about that main idea and textual evidence. Hold on. If you are taking the initial CPI training, please report to the cafeteria at this time. Initial CPI training to the cafeteria. Sorry, we all love Miss Celeste. And then the textual evidence that supports. So is there a quote that you want to write down? Is there statistics? What is that author saying about that topic, that main idea of the article? I want you to do this in complete sentences, capitalization and punctuation. I'm going to just keep sending it back to you if you do not write a complete sentence, because I know that all of you are capable of doing that, and it's time to game up. Okay? So, and then your second article is the counter argument. So let's just I'll use the Second Amendment as an example, banning any kind of Semi-automatic, what would be listed as an AR-15 is very popular. Banning some sorts of ammunition is a very controversial issue in today's world, as it has been since the invention of a semi-automatic rifle. So if I wanted to say that no, the Second Amendment supports the right for a militia to have those type of weapons, I would find my first article that would support that. And then I would find the counter argument saying, oh, no, we should do away with those because they are assault weapons, which every weapon is an assault. Anyway, so you see what I'm saying? 1 for, 1 against. All righty. And you fill that out and submit it to me by tomorrow night at midnight so that I have them all Thursday morning. I will come back at you on Thursday morning with more to do. But for right now, if you can work on that, really try to get good, meaty articles so that you can have a lot of details and evidence for your paper. All right, good luck. Cheerio then.